go. You ready? No, 1, 2, 3. My name is Matthew Avery, and this is 2022. It's our first winter storm here in Arlington, Massachusetts, one of the suburbs close to Boston. And we're really excited about this first dusting or storm. The kids are out having fun, playing, and they're really excited to have some good old fun and forget about all the nonsense of last year. You want to do it again? All right. We've had so far 6 to 8 inches, it looks like. But the snow's really light and fluffy, so it's going to be pretty easy to remove. It's just going to take a little bit of time, and we're going to have to get the machine out for sure. This isn't shovel work. Hi. Wave. All right, Josie, move to the side. You ready? 1, 2, 3. So we woke up this morning and we got the kids out from bed, and it's the first time that Lulu is seeing snow really. She's only less than 2 years old. So she was really excited and confused at first, and then we brought her out here and she was still pretty confused, but she had a great time. And her older sister, this is her second year in the snow. So we built some slides and went sledding down them, and it was really fun for them. You know, it's a day off from school, but they're still having lots of fun. 1, 2, 3. Obviously, the last couple of years have been, a day-to-day routine for a lot of people, and it's been difficult. But when you wake up in the morning and you have this complete change of scenery, and you have the blanket of snow, and your kids are excited to play outside, it gives a change of pace, and you really get to escape the day-to-day and realize that some things don't change, and the joy of playing outside in the snow with your kids is always something that's really fun, especially the first snow of the year.
There's going to be more snow. This is our first big one, but thought it was best to get out early before, because we live near a park and everybody walks by our house and the school, and I like to clean it up as soon as I can. Never mind that, they'll be all sledding up the hill there, so. I don't like coming out to shovel, but once I get out there, I don't mind it. I don't really want to go back in too fast because I like the fresh air. Just finished raking all the leaves, and now it's snow. They did say that it's going to get real cold later, so you better, maybe the next few days. I thought they said Monday, but maybe before that. You better get it all out of the way because it's going to turn to ice, so we don't want that. So do the best we can today with the shoveling.